Okay, it is Buick Saturday. As you can see, I got a big mess here. Working on the carburetor and the intake manifold. I've got the gaskets on and it's ready to go back together. Got everything cleaned up. Ready to drop that manifold back on. I got the manifold installed and we're going to torque it down. We're going to see what kind of torque we need there. Let's see. Intake manifold. 25 to 30 foot-pounds of torque. So I've got it on and I've just snugged up the bolts. And we're going to start at the middle bolts and work our way out. Alright, we're going to get these torqued here. Get my light in the right spot. Okay, that was all at 25, and I'm going to bump them up to 30. There we go.